Okay, so today I've got some metallic copper, and this is folk art antique copper. I've got a beautiful metallic ice blue, really pretty color, and I've got this gorgeous midnight blue. It's an older paint by Doc Holliday Colors. Have no idea where to get this. I've had it for years. And of course I've got tons of white. I am going to do not only a flip cup, but I'm also going to do a puddle pour. So first thing I'm going to do is pour up a flip cup, and here goes with it. Start with white. I've mixed my pouring medium, Floetrol, and the color. So this should be a really gorgeous little set of paintings here. I love this color combination, although this blue that I'm using, this midnight blue, I have not used before today in some time. And so I'm curious to see how this is going to come out. I think it's going to have kind of a southwest vibe. We shall see. A little more white. Maybe pour it a little close so it doesn't go as deep. And I'm going to put some more of this brown in because I really like the brown. Okay. So that's going to be our flip for this canvas. But on this one, I'm going to do puddles. So I'm going to let these sit over here. And I'm going to alternate my puddles. So I'm going to do a little of this, a little of this, a little here. These two paintings will actually complement one another and take up a reasonable good amount of space on the wall. By the time they're put in frames, they should be really you know what I forgot to do is add my silicone. So maybe we'll just do these paintings without silicone and see what the effect is. I know that one of the other artists on YouTube that I really like to follow, she doesn't always put silicone in hers. So, Melly D, she's pretty awesome. I like her. I like the way that she can make a canvas move. And respond. You can tell that my station here is not totally level, as everything's wanting to go that direction. Might as well start a puddle over there to complement this. It's all going to run that way anyways. Okay, so I'm going to move this actually out of our way. So that when I get ready to work this, I'm not pouring it all over that canvas. Should get some gorgeous skins out of this, I'm thinking. Okay, I think this is ready to move. Here we go. Get all my sides covered. Little stripey, but that's okay. Beautiful. Let me get a towel and I will wipe my hands and torch this a bit. I like it. It's got that southwest feel, like I suspected. Kind of, I don't know, makes me think of Phoenix, Arizona. Now the torch may not be doing much other than popping a few air pockets because there is no silicone in this one. But boy, are we getting some pretty effect. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love these colors. Wow. Yeah. Bring it up where y'all can see a little closer. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to set it here and prep my flip cup. I just put my hands on the back of this with paint all over them, but so be it. Yep, wonderful fingerprints, lovely. It's okay. Alright, set that there. Clean up my little mess down here that I've made. I'm getting ready for a show for Mardi Gras. It's that time of year. And so these are lovely creations that I'm planning on having there. I'm going to add some white around this. Do a little pushing around here with one of my old stir sticks. And I think I may actually spritz a little bit of silicone across this white and see if we have a little more cell action. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to just give a little blaster shot lightly. Light little shot. And there we go. There's some blaster right there. I'm going to put some cups so I can get my fingers underneath this one without quite so much paint all over me. Okay. There we go. Alright. I think I'm going to put a little pinhole in that so that I don't have any resistance from my cup. Do that with a thumbtack. Something as simple as making an air hole allows this to move. As you see, it wants to do it on its own. We'll let it just do its own thing. which is absolutely gorgeous if you ask me when it does that. Do you look at that? These paintings create themselves. Wow. Keep in mind, this is going to complement the other painting. Oh, it's falling off my cups. Cups aren't working for me today. Wow. What a pretty piece. Let's see if we can coax some of them cells out. I hate it when my torch does that. That's okay though. Okay, I love how the negative space is looking. That's a lot of paint on this canvas. Yeah, I'm gonna have to let some of it run off. I have no choice. I have to move this. I hate it, but there we go. Yeah. There we go. Gorgeous. Make sure my sides have got plenty of paint on them, which they do. Looking good. Yep, I like. Oh, what a wonderful combination. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna bring the other one back up here. Have it join in on the party too. And there's your set. Little drop went into that, which I do not like. Do not like it. I'm going to torch it and see if I can get it to do better, look better, disappear maybe. Yep, there we go. Nothing a little torching couldn't help. My torch doesn't like to be upside down for some reason. This is gorgeous right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that is just absolutely beautiful. All right, and that's it for now. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. If I don't have patrons, I've got to at least be able to get monetized on YouTube so that I can continue to bring these videos to you, and I can't do that unless I have plenty of subscribers. So for those of you that do subscribe, I thank you very much, and have a wonderful day and keep painting, everybody.